The MagMod Starter Flash Kit 2 has all the basics you need to make flash photography fast, easy, and awesome. First, the MagSphere 2. The MagSphere 2 is the simplest, fastest, and easiest diffuser ever created. It instantly shapes your flash into a diffused omnidirectional light source, perfect as an on-camera or off-camera flash diffuser. As a result, it makes just about everything look better. The new MagSphere 2 is now 40% lighter than our original award-winning flash diffuser, and, like all our silicone modifiers, is virtually indestructible. Next, the MagGrid 2. Bare speed lights throw off a pretty wide beam of light, and controlling where that light goes is critical to creating awesome photos. The MagGrid 2 shapes your light and makes light go exactly where you want it in a carefully optimized 40-degree beam pattern. It will eliminate unwanted light spill, helping you control light like a boss. Think of it as your BFF for light control. This is the MagGrip 2, our patented universal magnetic base that makes MagMod, well, magic. Because of the MagGrip 2, attaching modifiers to your flash has never been easier. The durable silicone band fits tightly over almost any flash, even roundhead flashes. Freakishly strong neodymium magnets make hassle-free modifier changes a piece of cake. With the MagMod Starter Flash Kit 2, not only do you get two of the most popular flash modifiers, you can also stack the MagSphere 2 on top of the MagGrid 2. This combo here is one of the most popular stacks used by thousands of photographers and in lighting many award-winning photographs. Give it a shot. Oh, and when you're finished creating incredible images, store it all in this slick pouch. With the MagMod Starter Flash Kit 2, you'll work faster, easier, and more efficiently than before. There's a reason many of the world's best photographers count on MagMod. Fast, easy, awesome. That's MagMod.